Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of the best pumpkin keto options available, the Lakanto sugar-free pumpkin spice muffin and bread mix. Now, what makes this product stand out? Let's dive into the details. First off, this mix is a game changer for anyone following a keto lifestyle. With just 1 gram of net carbs per serving, it's perfect for those looking to indulge without the guilt. And let's talk ingredients. This mix is sweetened with monk fruit, a natural alternative to sugar that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Plus, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. Now, let's talk about taste. The pumpkin spice flavor in this mix is spot on, delivering that warm, comforting taste of fall in every bite. Whether you're making muffins or bread, you're in for a treat. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. With just a few simple steps, you'll have freshly baked muffins or bread in no time. Perfect for busy mornings or cozy evenings at home. Just look at these beauties. Moist, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. You won't believe they're sugar-free and keto-friendly. Absolutely delicious. The perfect balance of sweetness and spice. So, whether you're following a keto diet or simply looking for a healthier alternative to traditional baked goods, I highly recommend giving Lakanto sugar-free pumpkin spice muffin and bread mix a try. Your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy baking!